Take a guided tour, one of Sea Life Arizona Aquarium. If you would like a little more detail and personal attention on your visit to Sea Life Arizona, you might want to sign up for a behind-the-scenes guided tour. Your Sea Life representative will take you beyond that door with the sign Authorized Personnel Only to see a little of what goes on behind the scenes. Here's what else you need to know about guided tours at Sea Life Arizona. 1. There is an additional charge for a guided tour. 2. The tour includes some lecture with some hands-on activity. Generally, very young children won't appreciate it since there are really no fish or other creatures to see behind the scenes. 3. Tours are kept to about 8 people so that you can easily interact with your tour guide. 4. Advance reservations are not accepted for these tours. Check in at the admissions counter to see when the next available behind-the-scenes tour is available. 5. The tours are given every day, several times per day. 6. The tour takes about 30 minutes, more or less, depending on the number of questions and size of the group. 7. There is very little walking on this tour. Your guide will take you to the restricted area where you will discuss various aspects of how the aquarists care for the creatures and their environment at Sea Life. You probably won't take more than 20 steps during the entire discussion, but you will be standing the entire time. All dates, times, prices and offerings are subject to change without notice.